We've removed a popcorn ceiling, and now we want to install recessed or can lighting. First, it's all about the layout. You can divide the height of the ceiling by 2 to see the spacing between the lights. For us, that's 48 inches apart, or 4 feet. With that, we find the location of our first light. Next, measure 48 inches from that mark, and again 27 inches from the wall to find our next row. Snap that line. We continue until we have a grid for all our light positions, and we can drill them using a recessed light hole saw bit. We are using 4-inch cans with a 5-inch housing unit. Drill each hole. As you can see, we are creating what is called a daisy chain, where power is brought to one light with a wire and taken to the next light with a wire. This is a combination clamp connector. It holds the romex wire in place inside the recessed housing. Next, we strip the wires and connect the wire to the corresponding orange cable connector. You might need to alter the hole for the housing to fit snug. Move the insulation out of the way so the housing will fit. Press these gray tabs, which dig into the drywall, securing the light into place. Make sure it's completely flush with the wall. And repeat. Plug the light or trim into the medium base socket adapter and screw that into the housing. The trim or can then easily attaches to the housing with its metal clips. And we're done. For more videos, go to bestonlinecabinets.com.